These are supposed to be my zinnias, but they didn't grow right. I never... They are flowering though. And then of course, one explosion with the cone. They just quadrupled in size from last year. Oh, beautiful. I sure picked the right thing to plant here. It's still beautiful. And then I added a dahlia. So we'll see how that turns out. But yeah. And then I don't know if I showed you that I bought myself a rose bush. But we had a nice rainstorm and the sun's back out tonight. There's my new rose bush. Not much left on it right now, but that's the new one. All right, y'all. Strange little configuration. Got a little something dark in the back behind the sun. And then that's what we got going on by the sun, around the sun. All right, y'all. Much love. Take care.